Hi, it's Craig with Elmwood Electronics, and today I thought we'd do a quick unboxing video on the SolarBit Power for Microbit. Who doesn't like solar? And it's a great way to teach kids about solar electricity. So without further ado, first of all, it's not really an unboxing, it's more of an unbagging. These come in a plain paper bag, which is fine because we ship everything, in padded envelopes or in boxes. So, as you can see, looks to be a 3D printed case, but it's a nicely done 3D printed case with a power board in it. And you can't tell from the video, but this is rather heavy. So there's actually a battery included inside of here. So it comes with a solar panel, which we're going to take the protective coating off of here so it can start doing its thing. So you put the solar panel here, and then you've got two plugs right here for the solar panel. Plug in. You've even got, there is a USB port so you can charge the thing. Okay, so an LED came on indicating it is charging. And then there's one other JST cable that we can use to connect the microbit. Like so. And the battery comes with a little bit of charge in it, so that's why it's able to work, but couldn't be any easier, right? So yeah, it's charging. And you can also charge it via USB. Doing that takes about 2 hours. So yeah, great way to teach kids about solar. Put this thing outside and let it do its thing. You've got then you've got an off-the-grid microbit. Anyway, this has been a video from Elmwood Electronics. Check out our microbit collection to find the SolarBit as well as many other products. Thanks a lot.